Here we've got Motorola Razr, and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then locate and go to your Play Store, tap on the More icon right here, and go to My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you can find all applications that can be updated, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to the app name, so for example Google Drive, and here you will be able to detect the progress. So at first the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way. You can search browser, play some game, watch a movie, and then if you will open Play Store again, you will be able to notice if it's already updated, and as you can see it is. But also you can update all apps at once, and all you have to do to update all applications is to click on Update All, and that's it. Then it will be done automatically. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.